Hi everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to unsend mail in Gmail. So for that, open the Gmail application first. Now once you open the Gmail, what you need to know is that you cannot unsend the mail that you have already sent. But when you send a mail, you will have a certain time second to undo that or to unsend that. So I'm going to show you how that works. Tap on Compose. So I'm just going to make an email that I'm going to show you as an example to unsend. Now I'm going to type in the random mail. So once I tap on send, this mail will be sent to the recipient email address. Tap that. And there's the option undo right now. Tap that. Undoing. So there's a small time period or the second of time period where you can choose to undo or unsend the mail. Once you miss that opportunity, you will not be able to unsend mail in Gmail, as the mail will be in the recipient inbox. So this is the only time period when you can unsend a mail in Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.